Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a June 2014 Toyota Hilux Workmate. This model runs from a second month 05 up to the 8th month 2015. This car is a 1KD FTV 3 litre turbo diesel engine backed up by a 5-speed manual 2-wheel drive gearbox. 1KD FTV 3 litre turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front, as you can see. It's fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. Here's the left-hand front with good tyre. Left-hand front black manual door mirror, textured style. Left-hand front door suits a good private. Here we have the tray. Good tray. Left-hand rear tyre with good tread. Rear ladder rack. The rear of the tray. The right-hand rear of the tray. Right-hand rear tyre with good tread. Right-hand front door. Once again, a good private one. Right-hand black texture manual door mirror. Right-hand front tyre with good tread. This car came out with factory grey vinyl interior. Centre console. Manual gear knob, interior mirror, left-hand sun visor, courtesy light, right-hand sun visor, your factory single stack CD player, silver face, and your factory steering wheel, black steering wheel with your audio controls. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.